Hi friends, I am Anas from WebsiteWise. Today in this video, we will learn how to install WordPress on subdomain. Now before learning this, let me tell you what is a subdomain and what is a WordPress. A subdomain is a part of your main domain on which you can create a new website. A WordPress is a software or a platform that helps you to build any kind of website. Now, to install WordPress on subdomain, we have to follow only two steps. Step 1, to create a new subdomain. Step 2, to install WordPress on that subdomain. Now for this, you have to come to your hosting account. In my case, it is Hostinger, which is one of the best affordable web hosting provider. Now this process of installing WordPress on subdomain and the options are usually same in all the hostings. So in the case of Hostinger, you have to come in the hostings part. Now here, you need to choose a domain on which you want to create a subdomain. Now here you have to scroll down and find the option of subdomain. And now you have to create a new subdomain. You have to name your subdomain like store.blueprints.com, app.blueprints.com. So first you have to name your subdomain and then click on create button. Now you have created your subdomain. As you can see over here, app.blueprints.com. Now to install WordPress on this subdomain, you again have to come in the hosting part and you have to click on manage of that main domain. And you have to scroll down and find the section of auto installer. Now here you have to scroll down and select WordPress as we are going to install WordPress. Now here you have to choose your subdomain on which you have to install WordPress. After this, you have to set your WP credentials like username, email and password and also website title. After this, you have to click on install button. Now as you can see over here, your WordPress has been installed on your subdomain. Now to check this, come back to your hosting account and click on manage and scroll down and select auto installer. So as you can see over here, here is our subdomain which we have created just now. So let us open this. So as you can see, WordPress has been installed on this domain which is app.blueprints.com. But now as you can see, it is showing us not secure, which means that we have to install SSL on this. Now to install SSL on subdomain, you have to come back to your Hostinger account and click on the home option. Now as you can see over here, SSL certification activation, you have to click on setup. And now as you can see, you have to click on install SSL. Now it is telling us that SSL is being installed. Your SSL is being installed for your subdomain. In the background, HTTPS will be automatically forced on your domain. Now this process may take some time, so you have to wait. Now let us come back to our website and click on refresh button. So as you can see over here, now it is showing me secure, which means that SSL has been successfully activated on this subdomain. So in this video, we have created a new subdomain and also we have installed WordPress on that subdomain. And along with this, we have also activated the SSL. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel.